Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna show to you how to add the customized form to Wix website. So the first one is to go on and open the website editor, and on the left side as you can see you have add elements, so click on add elements, and then here you have to go to contact and forms, and then here you have different forms available. So as you can see you have contact, order, registration, donation, and this here. So you can go on and click on the registration and select one of these, so click on it, and as you can see it's gonna be added to your Wix website. And of course you can place it whatever you want, so you can go on and place it like this. If you want, you can easily edit it, so you can basically change the colors and everything. So let me delete this one here, and as you can see I have it right here. So as you can see I can go and click on form settings, and basically here you're gonna see all submissions. You can go on and see submitted messages, payments, and much more. You can change the design if you want. As you can see, you can change the colors, and you can click on customize designs to change each one of them, texts, each one of them colors, and much more. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.